for Melve.
I've a knack for gathering items, and am ever on the hunt for new finds. I'll gladly try out any useful mechanisms I espy. I'm not tired in the least. I'm ready for any adventure you have in store, Arisen.
Okay. Yeah.
Hoy there! My pa always used to say, aye, being armed is better than being defenseless. You should stop by the inn in Melve if you get the chance. No hard.
There are worse things than turning in early, I must say.
What the hell?
I've beds to spare if you're looking for lodgings. And if you'd like to change your vocation, come see me anytime.
What? Enkindled blades. Use this one.
Do come again.
Very well. I shall lend you my aid. You do seem to be in need of it.
What the fuck? Nah. Fine.
Ah, good. I see the Arisen's found someone to handle our busy work.
Let's go.
This ladder could...
Hail! You a soldier? Twould be a surprise to see you arrive in one piece, if not. Hordes of monsters have been plaguing this area of late, you see. We've had to start sending out new recruits to cull them.
Is that so? Who went yonder?
Lachlan. But I dare say he'll fare all right.
Aye, I expect he will. Who was sent out that way then?
Ocado. To be honest, sir, I'm a little worried for him.
What? Weren't harpies reported in that area? The lad can't handle those beasts on his own.
This is the first I'm hearing of it. Fie! I want to go to his aid, but we can't just abandon our posts. Say, you seem stout of heart. Would you be willing to go in our stead? 'Tisn't far, only a short ways out from the main gate. You've my thanks. And Ocado's as well, I'm sure.
Okay. Okay.
We have been called upon to render aid. Let us make haste.
What the hell is this?
You are mighty indeed, Arisen.
Yes, I am.
While in another world, I happened upon a treasure chest rather close by here. Perhaps I could show you the way.
Go.
There are useful ingredients to be gathered here, I'll wager. I say we collect as much.
What the fuck? Help me. Fools.
I'll be feeling the scars of that battle for some time yet.
We were overconfident in our abilities. It is a painful reminder that fortune... Good. We're here.
Is that all of them? You have my thanks. I do not believe for a moment I could have slain those creatures without your help. I've only just enlisted, and when I thought this could be the end of me, I was paralyzed. You saved me this time, but I won't always be so fortunate. I'll have to train harder, till I have the confidence to face such beasts on my own. Well, I'd best be heading back, but I'll be sure to let my superiors know of your good deed. I hope we meet again someday.
I suppose we'll be wanting to report back now.
No. Where's the chest?
Follow me.
Shall we make them rue their own impatience? If we must, let us finish this quickly.
Very well, if I must.
Tis about time we pressed on, wouldn't you say, Master?
I should hope so pitiful a foe would give you no trouble.
A few more victories like that and we'll have them running for the hills!
Yes.
Here, if you please. Here at last.
Hail, friend. Many thanks for aiding Ocado. 'Twas a relief to see him return, and none the worse for wear.
Aye, that it was. The poor sod might not have made it back alive had you not intervened.
'Twas a bit too early for him to be seeing actual combat. That much was made well clear. We'll be extending his training period. The instructors here are well known for whipping recruits into shape with their grueling regimes.
Speaking of training regimes, I must admit I've half a mind to ask you to join us. We could use someone with your experience.
I'll carefully conserve my strength and endeavor to survive every battle by way of sound strategy and defensive tactics.
What? Hey.
If we share our strengths, we can begin formulating a strategy that caters to our respective skill.
'Tis a ladder.
A visit to Melv might jog your memory, Master. It's
I've beds to spare if you're looking for lodgings, and if you'd like to
Oh, okay.
change your vocation, come see me anytime.
Here. I don't know. Yeah. Maybe.
Always a pleasure.
Okay. Let's go. Done. Who is this?
over here, if you please.
If your plane had arisen in search of preferable treatment, you'll be sorry.
This way, Master.
Can I save and destroy this guy? Come here, come here, come here. Yep.
Master, if ever your pack grows cumbersome, know that I would be glad to purchase any of your unwanted items.
If your plane had
Over here, if you would.
Take me as your shield, Arisen. Upon my fighter's pride, no foe.
Hail, Arisen. Pray, ask aught you wished very well. May for...
Is there aught you require?
Here in Vermont, pawns are revered as servants of the Arisen. But not so here in Batal. There, they believe that some divine flame will protect them and dispel the dragon, and that pawns embody misfortune. In that regard, our countries couldn't be more different.
Are you looking to speak with Severin? Good luck. He brooks no chatter with us during training, and makes for home the second our drills are done. I'm not quite sure where his house is, though I've gathered 'tisn't near here. Don't you tell me, even if I asked.
This cannot be. There's no easy thing making a living as a soldier.
Washing, cleaning, leaving shore. Aye, what is it?
Fancy a gander? I find goods for sale.
I'd hasten home, were this not my duty.
Your ability to trip over nothing never ceases to amaze me.
What the fuck?
Oh, don't mind me. These things happen.
No sense letting the enemy gain the upper hand. Early gripping gets the worm, as they say.
One of our number is unconscious.
All this fuss over a moment's in caution. It shan't happen again.
I've a knack for gathering items, and am ever on the hunt. Ingredients are plentiful hereabouts.
We could pick some now and use them when the need arises.
What the shit? Do we dare? We dare.
A treasure chest. Shall we see if we can't make our way over?
The fuck?
Harpies! We'll want to use against this foe.
Well done.
Stability extra. Okay, so yan lang yun.
An unlikely location for a path. Mayhap it leads to a hidden hoard of treasure.
I've a feeling 'tis best left untravelled. Am I the only one?
I suppose there can be no harm in bringing this along.
We'll find a use for it, I'm sure. That's the spirit!
Nice of you to say so!
Oh, shit. I'll gather these now. 'Twould be a shame to forget their location when we need them most.
A forgotten rift stone we've not discovered lies nearby. 'Tis this way, as I recall, from my last sojourn beyond the rift.
Where the fuck are you? Saka. Okay. Let's go.
Really now? You mustn't shirk your duty, lest you forget 'tis the Arisen we serve here.
Over so soon? Why, we seem to have come through unscathed.
No doubt this triumph will spur us into the next. I don't know about you, Master, but I'm worn out. Mightn't we have a rest before pressing on?
No.
So, this is Melv. The scars left by the dragon's assault are plain to see. Mayhap a walk through the streets would help jog your memory. When the Arisen appears, so too does the dragon. 'Tis an immutable truth of this world.
I knew it to be so.
Oh, look.
Pity it were the Arisen.
I've a selection of wares that's sure to please.
Inang mahal.
Hope to see you again.
Nothing caught your eye? Oh, that's a shame. Let's hope there's aught worth our coin next time.
Browsing was enough to scratch the itch in my case.
Hast thou forgotten thy destiny, thy charge? That is most unfortunate. But it doth not release thee from thy fate.
I know you're made to stir the stuff like that.
Pull back!
From this moment forth, thou art arisen. Charge and all.
Can you hear me, sir? Sir, stay with me. goodness. How are you feeling? This is the second time I've watched over you like this, isn't it? You do not remember? Then have you forgotten that you protected me from the dragon's flames? You withstood the fire in my stead and were well and truly charred. 'Twas terrible. I had thought your life forfeit. I could not hear the beating of your heart. You hung on and by some miracle survived. Arisen. I'm afraid I don't understand your meaning. Does it have aught to do with why you were taken to the castle? They said 'twas so that your wounds could be treated, though I fear you have no memory of this either.
I am of the Border Watch. Someone with arisen-like abilities came to this village, born in tongue. Know you aught of this?
Has he come for you? We are to part so soon, then. Mayhap you will visit me again someday. Till then, take care. Arisen.
Ah, excellent. You must be the one. You match my soldier's description. I'm glad I found you. The ruler of Vermont, currently convalescing in the capital, became arisen here in this very village. If you claim the same, then word must be borne to the capital. I dispatched a missive before coming here, though I doubt the matter can be settled without your presence. Would you be willing to accompany me to the capital? If you truly are arisen, you will be received with open arms. Oh, but forgive me. I scattered my soldiers in a bid to find you. I would not depart without them. We shall have to wait till they are reassembled. Come to think of it, Sir Leonard was asking after you as well. Mayhap now would be a good time to speak with him. Last I saw, he was having a drink at the inn.
What say we gather some information?
Say, do you think this one's really arisen? Now.
Ah! Pray, save your strength for our enemies, Arisen. This ladder can take us to new heights.
Where?
After you, Arisen.
That was close.
Have you some business with the apothecary, sir? Dreadful sorry if I was in your way. Oh, no. I'm not lost or naught, sir. You needn't worry yourself on my account. I'm an apothecary in training, you see. My family runs a little shop in Vernwood. So when I heard tell of a medicine only to be found in this village, I thought I'd come and fetch some for us. Made the journey all by myself as well, if you can believe it. But, well, as luck would have it, I've not enough gold for the medicine. 'Twill be a shame to return empty-handed after coming all this way. But what more can I do? What? You'd do that? You'd get the medicine for me? Suppose there's no harm in that. If you're really sure. Oh, sir, I'd be most grateful.
Seems my luck's not as rotten as I thought. I'll wait right here for your return, sir. And many thanks for your kindness.
We could make the fruit reborant ourselves, or simply purchase some at Rune's apothecary here in Mel.
I think I get the idea.